Hi guys, welcome to the marketing strategy. In today's video, we are going to be looking at landing page builder called Landingi. So it's right before get started. If you're thinking about getting this tool, you can go ahead and import into Landingi account on it to do get dots joint using the link in the description. So first of all, what is Landingi? As the name suggests, it's landing page builder. What is differentiates from the rest of the market? Dove is got some great integration including WordPress and Shopify. So you can create landing pages and host them on these platforms, and also has all your email marketing integration you will have for including webhooks. So that just makes it that much more versatile to use, plus their mobile responsiveness is amazing. You get exactly what do you see, which a lot of platforms don't actually flow up on. I'm really impressed with that, and overall it's a great and amazing tool. So on the landing website, what I want to do is quickly run out a different features in this platform. Just in case I will miss out in any of these products review, there is some pretty cool pricing features as will that I quickly want to run through. So first of all, if we come to products, we will notice here we have landing page builder. We have also got a pop-up builder, and there is plenty of landing page template. We also have page insider, which gives a different type of clarity to how your page will actually perform using AA, so that's a pretty cool feature that not many platforms have. You can also sell digital products inside of Landingi. Once again, they have got plenty of good integration, and there is also the ability to see in the funnel view how your visitors are actually going inside in your marketing offers, and then finally if this all still too overwhelming for your there is different software services that Landingi can offer to help you get started faster. So now I will quickly go over the different pricing. There is once again annually and monthly. Annually you save 2 months worth, but on the build monthly we have got 4 different plans: core, create, automate and agency. If you have a look at the brief rundown of what you get inside of them, inside the core you can have one domain. You can have also 1,000 unique monthly visitors plus unlimited conversation and landing pages. If you go to create, you get 2 domains, 20,000 visitors plus a free migration. Finally, agency, you have got a few different options, 50,000 custom domains, and what's called that white label option. Now it slides back to that also you actually get with. So if you scroll down just a little bit further, there are also some additions you can get. I actually like $5 per month for 5,000 viewers is very affordable, same with domain. But if you click compare features, you will be checking the page where the actual planes are sort broken down a little bit further. So you will notice the core you can have to account user, which is good, and you also get different type of support. What you will notice true, you don't get a lot of design features, things like pop-ups, lightbox, and also integrations with different type of icons and image library, so that's pretty interesting. You also don't get custom HTML, and if you keep down even further, you will notice you won't be able to embed it on your server. This is actually a feature that a majority of landing page builder don't even have, so that's pretty good to see, but if you keep coming down. You also don't get email marketing integrations, so if you wanted to connect it with your email marketing platform, you will actually need to be on the create plane. So this is probably my biggest downfall with this platform, is this ability right here to the email marketing integrations. However, work around to it is you do get the ability to send your leads list via email to an address of your choice. So, what is basically means in instead of getting straight integrations, you can just send leads via email. So, majority of platforms I think allow this anyway. It's not such a big deal. It's just going to take a few extra steps. So that's basically my biggest downfall. Apart from that, if you are on the automate plane, you can also use autoresponders and funnels inside of Landingi. And there is also white label plane which I talked about early that will be $90 per month. Sorry, per month. That what that means it's you can white label the entire Landingi platform, make it your own. Put your own logo, branding, and you can also take as many clients as you want inside of this. So it's pretty cool if you want to just own as a company. It's going to cost you $9.19 per month plus the agency plan. So those are all the different options. Once again, the core is enough to get started if you really want to get going through you want to create. Now, what I have actually done is I have opened up an automate tab just so you can see all the different features inside.